How to fix this site can't be reached problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix that issue of not reaching that site. So simply open up your browser. After that, simply go to the search bar and search for control panel. Simply type in control panel and hit the search. After that, simply open the control panel, and you'll be redirected to another page where you can see network and internet. Simply tap on it and go to network and sharing center. After that, tap on it, and there you'll be able to see the connected network. Just right click on it and you'll be able to see a box. So here, just go under properties, and there I want you to click on, you'll be able to see a bunch of options. I just want you to scroll down until you see Internet Protocol version 6. Just disable the option if it is right click. I just want you to click on it and just turn off the option. Just right click on. And after doing so, I just want you to tap on OK. And you may restart your device if you want and see, get back to the website and see if that fixes your issue or not. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your issues. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.